the change of base rule is one of the most simplest things you'll do in college algebra, okay? And here it is. Now, I cannot put that in my calculator, okay, because I don't have log to base 5. I only have log to base 10, the log button, the ln button, the natural log. Now, I can do this, of course, remember, log to base 5 of 25. Remember, I know that's 2, because 5 to the power 2 is 25, but I can't do this. Too hard. So what we use is the change of base rule, and here it is, okay? So, it's fairly simple. Log to base a of b, you can either use your log button or your ln button, and it's the log of the b over the log of the a, okay? Again, or the ln of the b or the ln of the a, and I'll just show that working. It's fairly straightforward, okay? All I'm going to do is this, okay? So log of 30 divided by log of 5, or ln 30 over ln 5. And that's all it is, just like this one down here. ln of 6 over ln of 12, or log of 6 over log of 12. Doesn't matter which one you use, but that's the change of base formula.